Hello students. Today we are going to start lesson number 3 of class first. And name of the lesson is I have wheels. Before starting lesson, all of you open your textbooks. Yes, open. Huh. Now, see the picture. What is given in this picture? A bus is there, a bicycle is there, a tricycle is there. All the vehicles are there. All these are the vehicles and all these vehicles are having wheels. This lesson is about wheels. What are the wheels? Yes, wheels are round shaped things. A wheel is having round shape. It means any vehicle cannot run or move from one place to another without wheels. From baby cart to aeroplane, each vehicle has wheels. In this lesson, three friends are there, Golu, Molu and Ravi, and they are discussing about wheels. First friend is Golu. What Golu says? I have two wheels. I like them. They go round and round. What is the shape of wheel? It is round in shape. Why it is round? Because round shape can move easily from one place to another. Other shapes can't move easily from one place to another. What do you come to know by this sentence? Yes, Golu has a bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels. I have two wheels means what? Golu must have bicycle. Now, what Molu replies? Golu says, what Molu replies? Golu has two wheels. I have four wheels. I love them. Molu has four wheels means what? Which vehicle he has? Yes, Molu has a car because a car has four wheels. What Ravi's reply or observation? Ravi says, Golu's wheels are big, Molu's wheels are small. Imagine they have wheels. I have legs. I walk with them. I love them. As vehicles needs wheels to move from one place to another, we human beings and animals needs legs to move from one place to another. Here Ravi is comparing his legs to wheels because as a vehicle needs wheels to move from one place to another, we human beings and animals needs legs to move from one place to another. Students, what do we learnt in this lesson? To move from one place to another, a vehicle needs wheels. As wheels are the symbol of progress. In our flag also, a wheel is given. Blue colored wheel is given. So students, keep moving forward. Thank you.